grace unending, your love descending. When I fall, you lift me high. You catch my every cry. Your mercy flows like gentle rain. You wash away my pain. Your kindness deeper than the sea, forever rescuing me from never let me go. Your love forever flows. Your promise still remains through joy and through pain. Grace unending, flowing free, forever changing me. Every heartbeat, every sound, your mercy all around. Grace unending, pure and white. Your spirit lives inside. Forever I will be in grace unending. Your mercy, your dream night. You're not till leaver calls. You take my past, you make it new. My heart belongs to you. Through valleys deep and skies above, you cover me with love. In every breath I still believe your grace will never leave. You never let me go. Your love forever flows. Your promise still remains through joy and through pain. Grace unending, flowing free, forever changing me. Every heartbeat, every sound, your mercy all around. Grace unending, pure and white. Your spirit lives inside. Forever I will be in grace unending. You're the calm inside the storm, the place my heart is warm. You hold me close, you make me whole. You're the anchor of my soul. Forever I will sing of mercy you bring. From now until the end, your grace one thing. Grace unending, flowing free, forever changing me. Every heartbeat, every sound, your mercy all around. Grace unending, pure and white. Your spirit lives inside. Forever I will be in grace grace unending, forever descending. Grace unending. forever you show. The stars are shining in your grace. Your presence fills this place. Every whisper calms my fear. I know that you are near. The night surrenders to your light. Your glory burning bright. And every heart that calls your name, your love remains the same. You shine through every storm. Your light forever warm. Your mercy never fades. In you I'm unafraid. Eternal glow shining inside. You're my peace, my guide. Every heartbeat, every flame. I live to praise your name. Endless and pure, your love forever sure. Forever I will know your eternal glow. Your light awakens all I am. Your grace, the perfect plan. Even when the shadows fall, you're brighter than them all. You paint the sky with faith and fire. Your presence lifts me higher. Every soul begins to rise as glory fills the skies. You shine through every storm. Your light forever warm. Your mercy never fades. In you I'm unafraid. Eternal glow shining inside. You're my peace, my guide. Every heartbeat, every flame. I live to praise your name. Endless and pure, your love forever sure. Forever I will know your eternal glow. Let your light fill every space. Your truth, your boundless grace. You're the dawn that breaks the night. My everlasting light. All creation sings your name. Forever you remain. Your glory overflows the world in your glow. phase, you keep my faith ablaze. Faith ablaze, burning in my soul. Your fire makes me whole. Every heartbeat, every sound, your spirit all around. Faith ablaze, I lift my hands to follow your commands. Forever I will praise my faith ablaze. You are the flame that lights my way, my dawn in every day. You lift me up from broken ground. Now peace is all around. Let your glory fill this place. Forever I'll embrace the love that never fades. My faith ablaze, burning in my soul. Your fire makes me whole. Every heartbeat, every sound, your spirit all around. Faith ablaze, I lift my hands to follow your commands. Forever I will praise my faith ablaze. Forever in your grace. Faith ablaze. Glory The morning breaks, the colors sing, creation bows before the King. Your presence moves, your fire shines, your spirit fills these minds. The heavens glow, the earth proclaims the beauty of your name. Every heart begins to rise as glory fills the skies. You move in every sound, your love is all around. The darkness fades away as your kingdom lights the day. Glory arise, let heaven reign. Your power breaks sing your name forever. You remain. Every light reflects your throne. We're never on our own. Heaven's song we raise as glory fills our day. Glory arise, let heaven reign. Your power breaks every chain, every voice, every soul. You make us whole. Glory arise, let your love shine, eternal and divine. Forever we will praise as glory arise. Glory arise, your light in our eyes. Forever you shine. Glory arise. The air is filled with holy sound, your presence all around. Every rhythm, every wave declares the love you gave. You move like light across the sea. Your spirit dances free. Heaven's heartbeat through the sky. Your glory passing by. You move the world with gentle grace and truth. You move the world with gentle grace. Your mercy fills this place. Every moment, every tone, you make your kingdom known. Heaven in motion, flowing inside. Your spirit's alive. Every heartbeat sings your name. Your love forever the same. Heaven in motion, heaven in motion, lifting my soul. Your peace makes me whole. Forever I'll believe. Heaven in motion in me. Your presence shines through every storm. Your hands keep me warm. Every breath I give to you becomes a song anew. Your grace is moving endlessly, a tide inside of me. Your light consumes the dark and reunites my heart. You move the world with gentle grace. Your mercy fills this place. Every moment, every tone, you make your kingdom known. Heaven in motion, flowing inside. Your spirit's alive. Every heartbeat sings your name. Your love forever the same. Heaven in motion, heaven in motion, lifting my soul. Your peace makes me whole. Forever I believe. Heaven Heaven in motion, heaven in motion. The ocean waves begin to rise, your glory lights the skies. Every heart begins to sing, to honor Christ the King. The stars align, the heavens sound, your spirit all around. Every soul lifts up its voice, in you we all rejoice. Your love's a melody divine, it echoes through all time. Every breath I take is praise. In endless days, we worship evermore. Your name we adore. Every heartbeat, every song, to you we belong. We worship evermore. Your grace we restore. Forever you remain, worthy of all Your kingdom moves through every heart, your glory sets apart. In your presence we are free, alive in victory. The heavens dance with holy fire, joy our one desire. Every voice and every sound, in you our hearts are found. Your love's a melody divine, it echoes through all time. Every breath I take is praise. In endless days, we worship evermore. Your name we adore. Every heartbeat, every song, to you we belong. We worship evermore. Your grace we restore. Forever you remain, worthy of all praise. Let your glory fill the air. We know you're everywhere. All creation lifts its hands in your holy plans. Let your spirit fall tonight, your presence shining bright. Forever we'll proclaim the power of your name. Soft and white, your mercy fills the tide. Every color sings your name. The world will never be the same. You wipe away the tears I've known. You call my heart your own. Every shadow fades away as light begins the day. You breathe new life in me, a hope so endlessly. With every dawn I see, your grace is lifting me. Morning of grace, you make me new. Every moment points to you. Your love shines through the skies, forever open wide. Morning of grace, I'm standing still, surrounded by your will. Forever I will this morning of grace, the ocean dances in your light. Your peace restores the night. Every wave becomes a song to where I now belong. Your spirit whispers through the breeze and brings my soul to peace. Every heartbeat, every sound, your glory all around. You breathe new life in me, a hope so endlessly. With every dawn I see, your grace is lifting me. Morning of grace, you make me new. Every moment points to you. Your love shines through the skies, forever open wide. Morning of grace, I'm standing still, surrounded by your will. Forever I will praise. Let your light rise higher still. Your peace my heart will fill. Every step I walk your way. Through every brand new day, you turn my sorrow into song. Your joy where I belong. Forever I will say, this morning of grace. Ooh, morning of grace, you make me new. Every moment points to you. Your love shines through the skies, forever open wide. Morning of grace, I'm standing still, surrounded by your will. Forever I will praise. This morning of morning of grace, forever you stay. In your silent grace, I find my resting place. The night is calm, the stars align. Your peace flows through my mind. Every whisper calls my name, and and I'll never be the same. Your mercy breathes the air I feel. Your presence makes me real. I close my eyes and see your face, wrapped in silent grace. You move so quietly, yet you're all I see. Your light begins to rise across my weary sky. Silent grace, you speak so clear, even when I can't hear. Every moment, every part, you're healing my heart. Silent grace, you never fade. In you I'm unafraid. Forever I will stay in silent grace. Your stillness fills my broken soul. Your love makes me whole. Every tear you turn to light, and darkness fades from sight. Your peace is more than words can say. It's with me night and day. Your presence rests like gentle rain and washes every pain. You move so quietly, yet you're all I see. Your light begins to rise across my weary sky. Silent grace, you speak so clear, even when I can't hear. Every moment, every part of your healing my heart. Silent grace, you never fade. In you I'm unafraid. Forever I will stay in silent grace. You are the calm within my soul, the peace